Welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to repair this LED bulb. So it's not working, it's totally dead. So let's connect it. As you can see that this one is not glowing. On the other hand, when I connect this incandescent light bulb, it's working. As you can see that. So let's repair it. So to check the LED, we need a 9-volt battery with a resistor. So one by one we have to check all the LEDs. This one is good, this one is good, this one, yes, this one is not working. This one is not working, so we have to replace it. Or on the other hand, we can simply chop the LED and solder its connections. So after this it will start to work again. So let's connect it and check. As you can see that this is now working. So our bulb is repaired. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.